I hate these kind of bags. Oh, you guys. It's so hot. It's not even like our hottest yet, but it's so hot. My birthday party theme this year is strawberries. I just randomly, I was like, yay! Not strawberry shortcake, but just strawberries. I was kind of distressed. That's so cute. How cute is that? Definitely want to wash these though, because I got some pants as well. They smell. I don't know where the front or the back is, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Oh, yeah, that should fit. I hope it does. It's pretty long too. Okay. I'm gonna need an undershirt. That's okay. But that's not what this video is about. This video is for Medusa's makeup. I've been wanting to try them for a while now. And they have this little beauty box for about $15.95. So like 16 bucks. It's not terrible. It is their own makeup products. So it's not like an Ipsy or BoxyCharm situation. But I felt like it was a really good way to try out their products because I didn't really know where to start. So right away, you pretty much know exactly what you're getting. But that's alright. They are cruelty-free and vegan. This is the April box, which I think is funny since it's May. But that's alright. They have brush. Ooh. It's very soft. This is Medusa's makeup on it. The eyeshadow brush is $8. Not a bad price. It feels very sturdy. It's very soft, but it's not like moving all over the place. It's really nice. They have a lipstick. Ooh, I like this packaging. It's very cool. The lipstick rosé is $12. I'm guessing that's the name of the lipstick, rosé. Yeah. Pretty standard lipstick bullet packaging. That's really cute. It says rosé. Well, this one says rose. But this says rosé. And so does this rosé. Oh well. Ooh, interesting. Oh wow, that's like it looks so lilac toned. It's lilac, it's really creamy. It's kind of hard for me to explain. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so buttery. I don't know if this is for me, but it's a lot of fun. It's so creamy. Obviously, it's not like a dry down sort of thing. It's just your regular. But obviously, it goes away. It smells kind of nice, actually. This eyeshadow is funny because I'm currently editing my Wishbone Wear Yellow makeup look. And what is in the April box but a yellow eyeshadow? This is a matte eyeshadow, and it is called Kokomo. I think they've already posted what May is going to be. I think I might continue. Oh, I love it. Look, packaging. It's simple, but it's gorgeous. Open it up very carefully. This is part of like their tropical. Holy moly! Oh, look at that neon. Super rich and creamy. So pigmented and oh my gosh, that's insane. Tropical matte eyeshadow in Kokomo is $9. Not bad with the whole compact and the pressed shadow and everything. So yeah, just go to medusasmakeup.com and you can either, buy whatever you want, like a regular website, or you can decide, like I did, to get their own beauty box. And you get 4 to 5 full-size items for just under $16. I mean, that's pretty cool. There's still a little tiny bit on me. I just used a dry tissue. So, and then this is their cotton candy lip scrub. Ooh, this is a really good size. And then I just got, this is really cute, you guys. I want to support more indie. Oh my god, it smells so, I'm just gonna eat this, even though I have a really delicious looking dinner sitting next to me waiting for me. It's just attractive. I don't even care if it works or not. I just want to eat it. It's a really bad idea. It tastes so good. The cotton candy lip scrub is $10. But this is a pretty decent size. I know that sounds silly, but it's full up. But some lip scrubs are like half this size, And then you got the lid. So this is a really great introduction. And what's funny is even though they don't keep it spoiler free, if you follow them on Instagram or wherever, they do post what you're gonna get in each box, and it doesn't vary from person to person. So even though it wasn't spoiler free, I still really only remembered this. This was one thing that I remembered I was getting. And I think I remembered that I was going to get a lipstick, but I didn't know what color. If you're like me, odds are you'll probably forget. I can't wait to try this out. It looks so pretty. The eyeshadow lasts for 12 months. The lipstick for 12 months. I kind of really do want to keep this box because this is hella cool, but girl, you don't need to. I'm just going to start referring to myself as girl now, apparently. And like I said, they're an independent, obviously not super well-known brand. They did not ask me to do this. I purchased this box. I wanted to talk about them and test them out. I hope you guys like this video. I will be using the products in the future. I don't know what for yet, but I will be. Kind of excited to get my next box. Beginning of June, probably. That's alright. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.